I remember nights sitting out on the deck, listening to sounds from across the tracks. Trains, automobiles, and that factory mill keeping us up, we was laying there still. My grandma said they gon' pave the way.
I hate steps.
Tears of yesterday. I said, Mama, I hear what you
3.5 miles. We're entering the mythical land of Boggle Hole. Here be Boggles. Had a bite of me donut last time. Been told, don't disrespect the Boggle, because some mythical creature will come hunt you down. Yeah. I'm already in pain with sunburn on my arms. Why did I come this route? Why didn't I wait for the tide to go out? Ooh. Am I a tourist? Am I a local? I'm a bloody tourist in disguise. Tide's still in. Got 4 hours to low tide. Gonna get there with plenty of time. Should have brought a picnic. Don't you hate it when you're meant to hit record and you sit there filming and then you look down to hit stop and you find you haven't recorded? I've just counted 60 crows going over. I've never seen so many crows going over in one go. Oh, this little country boy's feeling more like a town boy now. I might feel like a town boy, but I bet no town boy can keep up with the steps. Beach. That's my drop off point. First, get the steps out of the way. What's that, Martin? That's cool. Just think a long time ago, most of these cliffs would be full of them. There's Robin Hood's Bay in the distance. And the first signs of mussels. I think I'm finally getting into the right place. And that's where I'm going. Well, I can't collect it, but I think I finally found some bone. Another section coming through there. There. Bit coming through there. There. But it's just going to come apart if I even touch it with a hammer. Now I question that first bit of bone block, because I'm thinking that's a tree. I'm starting to wonder if it's even tree, because this one looks like it's got connecting parts. I'm wondering if it's some sort of chamber, maybe a mouse or some sort of rodent. Well, she ain't much, but it's the first ammonite of the day. Almost there. Got 1 point, 2 gryphia, 1 ammonite for giveaways. Well, maybe I'll find myself some. Maybe a pint at the end of it. That would have been a nice one. Come on, 3 for 3. Go. Wasn't 3 for 3. Close. So the first one is a little double. Second one is a little porpoise, and the third one not so. Let's have a game of spot the fossil. Can you spot it? Do 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 do. A little bit more spot. Just found this one. That's it. It looks good. Let's see. Centre bust out. Ah well.
Country as fuck, it's in my veins. Ain't the first one to say that phrase. Down south we talk different, walk different. City folks probably say that we ain't crazy. From the dirt, ain't never been the type to bite my tongue. This is what it is, like it or not. Riding through the swamp, just me and my dog. We get lost, but we never get caught. I don't know what you do. I've been out here running.
Isn't this where we played Spot the Fossil? God damn, I'm back here again. It's in the middle. Seaweed. Yeah, nothing. Get back to you when I find something. I'll just get some pictures of the seal colony. I can see 3 or 4 just in that little pool, but they've all been scared off. So much for getting some pictures of the seals today. Why would you take your dog to go and see the seals? I've not done a whole lot of filming today. It's slippy. It's not too bad here, but my God. A guy called Jamie, one of Fossilifera's mates. He's been out collecting, struggling. No sooner had he gone, first block I hit, double LD. I really can't complain. Yeah, when I first met him, he said he was struggling. One of the first ones I popped, or one of the first ones he popped was a pseudo, bad preservation. First one I popped, pseudo, good preservation. I think I've managed to improve my collection, shall we say. Definitely increased the numbers, but I think the pseudo beats the one I've got. I think Mian is... No? Oh, no, I've just done this, not hog yet. Oh, I can't think of the name, begins with an A. Aniosphorus, Androg. I can't remember. I've just been round that corner. I think I've got Gramo. My God, that was it. Gramo block. So I also think, although it's open and one side's already beach worn, I think it's going to be the biggest Gramo I've got in my collection as well. So double oldie, biggest Gramo, possibly my biggest pseudo. I'll take it as a win. I just have to go that way now. Let's not do steps. Well, that looks like oil to me. Huh. Oh, look. Oh, it's black sand. Well, that's different. That's really different. It's been hard going, but it's paid off. So I've got a couple of little Gramos more to add to the collection. I haven't got many of them. Didn't find any Horgias. I found a pseudo. I think it's going to take first spot in my collection on the pseudos. Found two Ildies, well, a double Ildie. So I think that might have to be the prep at the campsite. It's not too hard a material. I might have to do that when I get back. I don't know, needed motivation. A double Ildie is definitely a bit of motivation. Well, back on the Robin Hood side, down towards Boggle. Oh, that's over. All the way in the distance. 7 mile round trip and however many miles in between. Who said 5 mile fossil one? This one's more 10, 11. Gotta be crazy. So I've seen a few people pick this up and say it's not a fossil. They don't know what it is. They think it's mineral, but it's not a fossil. Do you know what I think this is? I think there's been shells sat on here, and I think they've been eating into it. And I bet they are fossils. I bet they're really old and they're filled in with sediment. Because you look at them, and it's layer by layer, slowly going down. Pretty much the same every time. I think it's a shell that's been sat on the top. Not limpet, the big things. If you come to me for names, yeah. If you come to me for craziness, yeah, I can manage that, I suppose. Give that one a tap. I tapped it. Well, I whacked it many times. It was quite hard, that. Nothing in it. Why am I walking on the stones where it's hard? I should be down on the sand. It is a good feeling giving fossils away. I don't know. Just something rewarding about giving stuff away. It's been here for millions of years and now lots get to enjoy it. Well, I don't know what the fascination with it is. That couple just came and visited it. That couple just came and visited it. I know I've visited it and left me mark. It's quite refreshing, actually. I think I know why they came here. Somebody better stop me, I'm having crazy ideas. Hi Horsker to Robin Hood's Bay. Just been on the phone to Jamie. Jamie says, nah, I think I might have to try it. 2 birds, 1 stone, and I can hit Saltwick on... That's a point, got a spare day, yeah. Hit Saltwick on Thursday. That's my plan. High horse, go to Robin Hood's Bay tomorrow, and then Saltwick Thursday. Yeah, I'll go with that.
These walls are falling down. This is all about the walls. It's getting to the point that I don't even know what I want. Cause everything I want is always ending up like jobs. See, it's a lot and it's a fight that always seems to go wrong. It's like I'm so used to the walls that I'm always rebuilding. And when they fall, it's like it's something that I always been missing. It's like I'm mad when I don't have them, but it's also a prison. It's like it's something that I love, but I don't know if
I hate steps.